What have we got for you today? The FTX DR8. Oh boy, is this a great budget RC. In this video, we're going to make it even better. Now we have already upgraded this a little bit. We have put on the FTX front and rear chassis braces, the rear upgraded shock tower and the rear FTX hinge pins. Now why they are good upgrades for the price, they're not as good as what we've got. So Lee over at HardcoreRC Upgrades is now making upgraded parts. That is fantastic news because Lee's parts are second to none. They are some of the best, if not the best, in the business. Lee has very kindly sent us these parts: 775 aluminium top plate, rear chassis brace, front chassis brace, and a 775 rear hinge pin holder. Not being funny, guys, just look at the quality of these parts. These aren't only going to look the part, they're going to be the part. We also have these axle hub extenders to give the car a wider stance, and that will also allow us to hopefully fit these Proline Badland MX28 tyres. These things are chunky. These aren't the only parts that Lee makes for the DR8, and he also makes a ton of other parts for armours, losses, you name it. He's got it. So I'll put a link in the description below where you can go and check out his website and where to get all these parts from. And we're also going to be using these new hex drivers I've just bought from Ludicrous RC. These are lovely, titanium coated, nice and long. These really are a joy to use. Now, let's just get everything fitted. This is 7075 aluminium, but just look how extra thick it is compared to the stock part. Oh my God, that is some extra beef. Smoking! Just went to fit the front chassis brace and used the screw that came with the car, and it goes straight through. This is an M3 screw. This requires an M4 screw, so even more beef. So that's the front chassis brace and top plate in, and already it's looking the absolute bee's knees. Right, let's get on with the rear. Now we've just got the rear chassis brace to take out, and to do that I need to access this screw here. But this wheel, believe it or not, gets in the way, so I do need to take that one off. Looking at the comparison between the two parts, the custom RC upgrade part is much thicker and beefier than even the upgraded FTX part. That's looking much better. Right, now let's get these axle extenders on. They go on there beautifully. Let's do some Kevin Talbot magic and get the rest on there. Perfect. Just look at that now. This car just turned into beast mode. I've got lots of other exciting things coming up on the channel. For example, $1,000 X-Max versus $100 budget RC. Had this huge box turn up here. That's going to be a future video, but see if anyone can guess what's in there. We've also got to get back out with the Lossy 5T. Now we've got the OBR 34cc full mod 7.5 horsepower engine in there. Now I'm sure you don't want to miss any of that, so you better make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. Now let's get out and see what this beefed up DR8 can do. Look who's with us today. He's going to hide. He hasn't been out for so long. Look at him. Look, wave to your fans. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Jack's come out to play. One thing we've never done with the DR8 that I can recall is do a speed test. So we're going to do one today.
See how fast it can go.
How fast do you think?
48.
I'm going to say 55.
Take two. Take two.
Right, let's see it rip, Jack. Is it? Oh. What is it?
It's hard.
Oh, Jack.
I can't get full throttle.
Can't get full throttle on here.
No, not
Probably
really.
better for
It
grass,
looks
isn't it?
different. What have you done to it?
Oh,
It looks sort of wider and chunkier.
yeah, it's
and-
beefed up.
It does, doesn't it? It looks good. It's got a much sort of chunkier, wider stance on it.
It's a chunky monkey.
Chunky monkey.
So how fast? 45 miles an hour?
That was closest.
You were, I said 55, didn't I? We'll test it on the grass later because I think it's got close to 60 in it. The king of the backflip back, Alex.
Back flipper.
With his max this time.
I always balls it up under pressure though, don't I?
You do. Well, you broke.
I always balls
You
it up
broke.
under
You broke the
pressure.
X-Max wheel last time. Oh! Oh no! Wants to go. Oh! Alex is still the king. Uh oh! Big swing. Oh! That was a face of scaredism. Oh, these guys here all want me to do the swing, but no chance. Jack's going, what do you say?
It's not your sort of swing, is it?
Snap the bra.
No, not my sort of swing.
Nope.
No, I like the other type of swinging.
What's that?
Sorry?
What type of swinging is that?
Swinging. You know, dancing. Go on then, Jack, your turn. What do you mean no? It's only wobbling a bit.
If it comes down.
It's going donkey on the head. Oh! Mitchell's gonna have a go. Oh, look, he's brave. Oh!
Like this.
Oh, look at that. Must be time for the obligatory drag race when we're here. So we've got our DR8, 3 X-Maxes and a Mac. Can Jack hold up against the big boys? Any marks? Get set, go! Start away from the big boys. It's going well though. Move back. Oh, they're coming in fast. Oh my life! Oh, Jack, you came last. Who was the winner? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, nice. Oh, that might hurt. Look at the poor body where the Max hit it. Oh,
Oh, was that me, was it? Oh, sorry. So alert.
oh no. But that's all though. Everything else, rock solid in there. Time for Jack to give it the ultimate test now in the woods.
Gonna give it a good old bash in the woods.
Oh, it flies well. Oh yes! Don't you dare hit me, I'm going to stand here. This car absolutely amazes us, it really does. Its ability to fly through the air the way it does, the speed it gets and the stability it's got. It really is, I think, one of the best budget batches you can get. I mean, look at the height that thing got. Look at that fly. Oh my God. These upgrades are brilliant for it. This car is brilliant. Every time we take it out, it hasn't been out for a while. Oh, that's that flick. But still it keeps going. Look at it. I'm glad it's not wet down there, otherwise it'll be the old pinky stinky. Oh, that one could hurt. Oh, that's a brutal landing. It'll be okay though. Is it FTX tough?
Oh yeah.
What's your impressions of it so far?
I love it. Really fast and nimble and handles really well. Drifts, jumps, flies, does everything you want it to do.
So have I just made the FTX DR8 even better?
Yes.
Just have fun with it. Let it rip. Let it eat dirt. What have you done, Alex?
It's done me front bulkhead.
You've broken your Mac?
Go in there, let it go. Hello.
Oh yeah.
It's all
It's talking to us.
Hello.
Hello.
It's all split in there. Max is tough, baby.
What time is it, Jack?
Logadoom!
Logadoom! Logadoom! Look at him, look. Are you worried about falling?
I'm finding a good position to see.
Are you? Well, so you don't crash it? So we're at the Logadoom. It's a bit churned up here today though. We might have some fun getting the run up. I think some quad bikes have been here, look, churned it all up. What have you got to avoid?
The knobbly bit.
That knobbly bit there, because nobody likes knobbly knobblies. Oh, nice. Power, power. Oh, wow. One more brave one. Oh, that's gone flying. Oh, my life. DR8 is absolutely murdering the Logadoom. What do you want to do?
One more!
Do we trust one more? You know what happens with one more, don't you?
Yeah?
What?
Break it.
Oh, he did it. The knobbly. Did it survive though? It hit it quite hard. I can't see any damage. It all looks to be okay. FTX tough. Poor people inside seem to have taken a little look. Oh, boing, 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 boing. Now who's going for the ultimate suicide jump? Oh, he's lost it. Oh, is that over the fence?
No, that's not over the fence.
Now it's time to see how fast the DR8 goes on grass. How fast do you think this time?
62.
I'm going for the old 55 again. If Jack can control it.
I'll try again. Does want to go.
It does, doesn't it? Go. Oh, big wheel. Oh, big crash. Oh, you got the walk of shame. Here he comes after his walk of shame. Got to do it gently, Jack. What have we got so far? 47.
It's got way more in it.
Going. It's tearing up that field. Oh, come on, bring it back. Full tilt back. Going. Oh. GPS is still on there. That's a big crash at big speed. We've got some dirt here. Jack is an absolute demon to destroy. He is the destroyer of cars. That was going though.
The seat.
52 and not full throttle.
I reckon it's got 55 in it if you can get full throttle down.
I think we call it a day though. Get it home, check it over and see what damage, if any, has been done.
Let's check out if there is actually any damage and how those upgrades have held up. Front here, the brace, the top plate, the screw, all fine. Rear brace, fine. Everything held together on the rear hinge pin holder. In fact, you look at this car, you almost think it hasn't been out bashing. So if you want to know where you can get these parts from, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you want to see how the DR8 handled at a skate park for extreme abuse, check out this video here.